Closing market comments for Friday, September the 11th. Grains were stronger today, with soybeans closing up 18 cents, corn was up 3 to 4, and wheat was down 5 to 6 cents again today. The report was released today at noon and lended big support to the beans early. The soybean yield came out at 51.9 bushels per acre. That's up from the guess of 51.7, with a total production of 4.313 billion bushels and a carryout of 460 million, with the average guess being 469. So the numbers didn't look that impressive, but the traders seemed to want to buy, and they really came in and bought with a vengeance. We did go through the old high at 980 and 3/4. We went through previous high from last December of 985, and then we went through the contract high. So we'll see whether this thing can push on through or not. We did go up to 998 and then sold off. We're not able to break through the $10 level. There is one more high from 2017 at $10.05. Corn was stronger early, sold off a little bit during the session, then rallied back to close near the highs. The numbers on corn had the yield at 178.5, just above the guess of 178.4. Had total production of 14.9 billion, the guess was 14.891, and the carryout on corn at 2.503 billion, that's just above the 2.461 guess. So numbers pretty much neutral there, nothing that was a big shocker one way or another, but late in the day the support in beans lended support to corn, and we saw it rally to the highest level we've been in quite a time. Wheat carryout was dropped 1 million from 926 to 925, so really no big numbers there. Otherwise news, China was in and bought 222,000 metric tons of beans in one purchase and 262,000 metric tons of beans in a second purchase. So another good day of sales. Weekly export sales were released. Corn at 71.8 million, 94 million last week. And last year we had cancellations of 12 million. The trade was expecting 39 to 75. Soybean sales of 116.2 million, huge sales. That's almost double last week's 64.8, and last year we had cancellations of 45. Trade was expecting 40 to 70, so that 116 was just a huge number, and also lended big support in the bean complex today. Wheat sales of 17.8, 21.5 last week, and 22.4, with the trade expecting 9 to 22. The other big factor in these exports right now, the export sales on corn are currently at 732.3 million bushels. That compares to 28.9 last year. Soybean sales at $1,078,000,000 compared to 71.1 million last year. So huge differences. We front loaded with China. The question now is, can we get them shipped? And can we get them shipped on time? And at what point do they start transferring some to South America? We'll have to see what the market does Sunday night. Thanks for watching.